Start
Yeah, I'm
recording.
still waiting for GoDaddy. They still have me on
You
hold.
know, we can knock it out here if you want to.
Well,
I
no,
mean,
no,
I
no.
can guide you
They're
through it.
working on well, see, I had bought the .com, .net, and .org, but she
Hmm.
fat fingered the .com name.
Oh, so it's not the right domain.
Right, exactly.
Ah,
So
well,
they're
I
trying to fix it now.
understood. Okay, so the
Uh,
thing is that then whenever you get that squared away, just let me know. Send me the
Mm-hmm.
domain in one moment.
yeah.
Just
Oh,
I'm trying
my
to.
avatar look kind of cute in that yellow. Okay.
Why
Yeah.
doesn't hey, sorry, I'm just trying to get my screen set up.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
good.
None of them are
Hey,
coming up
Marcus.
right here.
Oh, wait. Oh, I did your Marcus.
Hey, what's up,
Oh, that's
Fuck,
what
everybody?
man.
happened. Hey, DJ Marcus. There we go.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
see.
Perfect.
Record, because I don't know about that. Let's
Okay.
All
Okay,
right, y'all
sorry about
charge
that.
up.
okay.
I got it.
Okay, okay. Applications.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, damn.
So yeah, we can once they resolve that, then you
Mm-hmm.
just let me know. I'll put that in.
Okay.
It'll be real quick. But either way it goes, that screenshot that I sent you
Mm-hmm.
on your DNS,
Mm-hmm.
it's going to have that. It's going to have that. You need to delete that record
Okay.
from your DNS, and then because that I don't know why it's a GoDaddy thing, but for some reason that always blocks the traffic. So whenever I
Mm.
register a domain, I set my A records in GoDaddy, I always delete that record. And I
Okay.
can't explain why because I never looked into it. I
Mm-hmm.
just know that it works.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
matters, right? As long as it
Right.
works.
Right. As long as it
It
works.
works.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
But yeah, so it'll be all good.
Yeah.
So we've got another 3 minutes before I guess we should officially start to allow people to spawn in. But how was everyone's week so far?
Oh,
Good.
man, busy.
Busy?
Yes.
Yeah, busy but not complaining.
Right, right, exactly.
Oh,
How
man.
about yours?
Oh yeah, busy. Also, and I spending a lot of time studying VR chat, getting ready
Oh,
to
really?
getting us all set up over there.
Oh,
I look
man.
forward to it.
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
been looking at all these
thanks.
different platforms. Like, you got VR chat, and then you got here Horizon Worlds, and then I know Artsy. She spends a lot of time in Second Life,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
and I don't know about that. Like,
Oh, well,
I've
I'm
been
Second Life
there. It's
Rich.
been a lot of weird stuff going on in there. It's
I
been a lot.
introduced. I took RC on in there for her first time when she went in.
What?
Yep, I took her in there the first time. Uh,
Wow!
yeah,
Wow!
yeah, yeah. We was world hopping, and I took her in there, and she hasn't come out since.
She
She's loving it
haven't.
over
She really haven't.
there. Yeah, she's loving
Oh
it over there.
man.
Yeah,
Oh
and they've
man.
got some cool stuff going over there. Actually, they've
How they
they've got
do?
yeah. Have you seen any of their build? Like any of what they've got going on?
I'm in there, but I haven't really
Have you
fully, I
gotten the Lux
guess.
VR in there? Go check out Lux VR. I've got a
Okay.
yeah Lux VR. Just look for
Is
Lux VR.
It's in
is it
Second Life.
PC only,
Mm-hmm.
or can you access it through your
Well, Second
Quest?
Life is PC.
Oh, just
Yeah,
PC. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
and it's called Looks. What is it
Lux
called?
VR, LUXEVR. Yeah, the same
Okay.
Lux VR.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, hold on. I'm at my computer. I forgot. I got my computer right here in front of me.
Oh, here we
Okay.
go. It's 3 o'clock. Yep, yep, yep. All right.
Uh-oh.
So, how's everyone's website doing?
Man. I think I think I wanna go ahead and attach my domain because I have a question about. Is it possible, like in Zapier, to have, you know how we have one trigger for our like contact sheet?
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible to have like two triggers?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Huh.
Yeah. So once you have, so, well, okay. So here's the thing with the free Zapier, no, you can only have one. When you have
Oh.
the when you have the premium Zapier accounts,
Uh-huh.
you can have more. And I don't know, like I have, well, with my account, I got have unlimited. I think maybe
Yeah.
I don't know about the layers below the one that I have. But when it comes to this
Oh.
class, depending on, so here's the thing, like uh, I use this stuff, I enjoy it, but I know that this stuff isn't for everyone.
Yes.
So if enough of you want to use it, then I will upgrade to a team account because then it'll it'll be another tool that I use for the group and for like the
Yes.
class and stuff. Right
Yeah.
now, my account is unlimited, but like I would upgrade to the team account, and then all of you will be able to have unlimited access as well. But it's only if you're going to use it that I would want to make that upgrade. And so I
Got
figured
you.
that we
I
would
got
make
you.
we would confirm that as a group, and
Yeah.
then I would upgrade. Um,
Yeah.
but under
Okay.
the free account, you can only have one. Under
Okay.
under the level that I have, you will be able to have unlimited. So you could have whatever you want happen, connect to whatever you want to happen, as far down the chain as you want it to happen.
Oh, okay.
And with all of the integrations with OpenAI, oh my gosh, man, like they got
Yes. And
so
I was looking
many
at though. That's what I'm
integrations.
saying. Cause I was looking at all the integrations Zapier
Yeah,
has, and I was like, "Oh my god."
bro, it is crazy.
Yes.
So
Yes.
super exciting stuff. And so like I said, if you all want to get into it, then I'll upgrade my account to team, and then all of you will be able to have access to the Zapier, and then you would go that direction for setting up all your notifications and everything, and we would
Yes.
in this class cover some projects involving Zapier and all that
Got
sort of
you.
stuff.
Got you.
All right.
I'm still
Hey,
looking at some
Cyber
stuff.
Shay.
Hi.
Cyber Shay, did you change your hair? Did you
Hey,
do
Hey,
something
Shay.
what's
with
up,
your
Cyber
hair?
Shay?
Yeah.
Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he looks nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh
Cyber Shay
man.
has a book. Did you have you told everyone about your book? You wanna
Yes,
start
we
off?
need the link,
You
Cyber
wanna
Shay. We
Oh,
need the link.
you wanna share, you wanna present your screen and go up here and share something
I
about your book?
I'm trying to open up my MetaQuest. Just been trying to see if I can open that up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, um,
Okay.
questions. Anyone have anything they want to cover?
Let's see.
Yes, I do have a quick question. I got to get to
All
mine
right.
here.
All
If
right.
Mhm.
Pull your screen up.
yeah, give
I'm
me
gonna come
one
over
quick
here to the front of the class.
second. All right, so I got my WordPress up. Uh, all right, give me a second. I don't see the icon up on the screen here. You know how you hit it the second time? I don't see that. Give me a second.
For sharing your screen?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Okay. It was just
Yeah.
blended into my background. It was hard to
Oh,
see.
okay. No worries.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Block Party Radio.
All right. This is
Hey.
simple. Just getting started with
Hey,
this.
hey,
Ooh.
Yes,
Ray.
sir.
Oh man.
This is the question that I have. I actually want this video here. I'm gonna bump it up top. But is there a way to loop the videos?
Yes.
You
I
wanna
figured it
you want
was. I
yeah.
figured it was. I'm just like, what am I? How
I
am I
posted
missing
it
it?
in the group.
Well, first of all, if you
A long
want, you
time ago.
just want it to be a background looping video.
Yeah.
Do
Yes,
you?
I'm.
It's just gonna be like a little clip. You got the MP4.
Yep. It's
It's just
Yeah. Oh,
All
I
right,
gotta
let's.
figure out where I got it now. Damn it.
How big is the MP4? Is it
This
like?
is just it's a 51-second clip.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. You can go ahead and just let's. Okay, so here's how we're gonna do that. Go ahead and delete this. Let's delete this image, and what we're
Okay.
gonna do is instead you want this whole background to be video. So go ahead and hover over your section so that your section um, turns blue, and
Oh
then
no,
click
it's
this.
module. All right.
Yeah, click your that's module over here, but we want this gear
Oh,
wheel right
okay.
here for the section.
Oh, you said section. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
yep. And now hit the background, drop down, and then go to video. Yeah, and now go ahead and add your video. So you can search for that right here. Hit add video right there. Yep, you've got it up here already. So you've got some MP4s in your library.
Yeah, but I'm
Go
trying to
ahead.
figure out what let's just say it's this one. Hell. Okay.
Okay,
Let's say it's that one. All
you
right.
can, and then
Upload.
go ahead. Yep. hmm
All right.
So now it's going to put that back there. So now once you've got that, you can scroll down and you can configure it some. So um, scroll down, man. Pause video. Well, not in view. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Pause video when another video plays. Um, then scroll up. Let's see. Yeah, it's background video with it's automatically playing full screen. So yeah, all of that's fine. So you go ahead and just hit your yep.
Because
And
I
now
played with this before, but at the end of the thing, it just stopped.
it doesn't loop.
If I'm correct, no. We'll see here in a second.
It should loop the video.
Oh, it did. I don't know why it didn't do it for me before.
Mm.
Okay,
Maybe
no, we're good. We're good. Okay. I
okay.
have no idea why I didn't loop before. It
And
literally
so
just
and
stopped.
if you want to make this bigger or something like you can first of all you can just like increase your padding like if you um put your cursor right here. Put your cursor right here where my pointer is.
I
Just
don't see your pointer.
you don't see
Oh,
my
is it here? Okay, now
yeah
I see
right
it.
there. You see how your cursor turned into that double
Yes.
yeah, and you see go ahead and just click and drag up. Well, no, that it's at the bottom. Yeah, click and drag down. Sorry, hit Control Z. I'm just trying to yeah, hit Control Z and it'll undo. Just
All right.
undo. Hit Control Z 2 times, 2 or 3 times. Just undo. Or yeah, because basically all I'm trying to do is you can click and drag that down. If you drag it up, it's going to pull it up. But if you drag it down, it'll just make it bigger and it would reveal more area right there.
Okay. So
Yeah, just click and drag down if you're on that side. Yeah. And you can yeah, and you can do the same thing for the top. Click and drag up. Yeah. And it's just going to put some pad. You don't have to do it too much because you're going in one direction. You can do it in both directions. You can also do it with numbers. Like I probably should have guided you through numbers, bro, because trying to guide you through just dragging like this is actually turning into a mess.
let's do this.
Let's start this
Let's
over. Let's do it numerically, okay?
let's do this. So let's
Cuz
get rid of it and
yeah,
let's get
cuz
back
I
to start back to here. Okay.
yeah, and then just go ahead and hit the gear wheel. Just go ahead and hit the gear wheel for the section and then go to design. No, for the
Oh,
section.
you said a section. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm so busy trying to. All right.
it's okay.
All right.
So first of all, let me just explain it like this. First of all, if you want to put something in here on top of it, that will also make the section expand. But another thing you can do is if you come here under design, you can add a padding on it. So go to spacing, and then for padding, just add a top and bottom. Just do 50 pixels, for example. Do the same thing for that's the margin. No, do a padding.
Oh, padding. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Did it apply it? I don't know what happened with it because now it's yeah.
No, it applied
Close
it.
that out. Close
But
close yeah, close that one out.
all right.
What's going you don't have any row in here anymore? Let's put a yeah. Okay. What do we have and why is this because all of this is now highlighted. Just start a new one. Just close just delete this one and let's start a fresh row. Just
Uh,
so that we can start back from the beginning. Just close this one out. Just hit this trash can right here.
why am I
Right
not?
here? Yeah. Let's just start back over. Because you see how you got this highlighted? Click off and not have nothing highlighted. You see how that's highlighted? Like, you see how this is
Uh-oh.
highlighted right here?
All
Like,
right, now
click, yeah.
nothing's highlighted.
Nothing highlighted. Yeah. Now let's start fresh. Because that was just getting messy. We actually got it right here as well. What's in this one? What's in this section? Anything? Is this just a black section?
No, just a black section.
You're going to keep that like that? You want to delete that? You want to clean it up a little bit? All right. What's this one?
I'm gonna
I'm not
restart
gonna
my
need
headset
this.
and come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. We might as well just clean it off
Yeah,
because I'm not
just,
using
yeah.
it. So
All right. So now let's start. You want to go ahead and put it where you want it to be, or do you want to?
you know what? Let's just go ahead and do that because that was
Yeah.
just a placeholder. I had it
All
before.
right. So yeah, just go ahead and scroll it to the top. And like, actually, here's an easy way to do this. Let's just duplicate this one.
All
You could
right.
just duplicate it right here, and that's just going to push another copy of it down. So if you scroll down, you got another copy of it.
Yep.
And now let's just delete this module,
All right.
and then delete this module. You can just like delete
Delete this
that
here
table.
too.
Yeah, yeah. You can
All
just
right.
and then create a new table in there. Yeah. Now, do you want to
Single.
put any words or
Oh,
anything on top of the video? Do you just want the video to play in the background, or do you want to put any words or buttons or anything on top of it?
I guess I'm gonna put some words because I want a header.
Okay.
Because I remember you told us that before. So the
Yeah.
video doesn't have words in it. So yeah, and
Yeah.
also
So
that
you're gonna
click
have.
here is how to listen to the station too.
All
So
right.
I want
Perfect.
that toward the top too.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and add the video background first, and then we're gonna add a module for the text and for the buttons. So go ahead and hover over the section, hit the gear wheel,
All right, hold on for a second.
scroll up. Yeah.
Whoops.
Yeah. Let's just go ahead and yeah. No, that's the row. That's the
Oh,
row.
it's row.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah. So come up to the section right here. Background video. Yeah. All right. Bam. Go ahead. Now we've got the video. So now inside of this section, I mean, inside of this row, go ahead and add a module. Add a module. Yeah. And you can add a text module first.
All
So
right.
this right here is going to like your modules are going to add some distance and then we'll add spacing based on what's needed after that. So yeah, go ahead and type what you want your text to be and probably make it a level 1 heading or something like that.
All right. Yeah, Mr. Block Party. All right. So yeah, just
Highlight it and then change it from paragraph to H1 right here.
whoops. Sorry, I popped my thing. Why am I not seeing? Okay, now I see it. All right.
Yeah.
H1. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Then send and then come here under you can actually hover over the words right here so that you bring up your little paintbrush over here if you hover over the words.
Hey, your pointer disappears for me.
Right here.
Oh, now I see it. Now I see it. Okay.
Yeah. And then click that paintbrush. And then that reloads this screen in order to have like
The font
specifically
style.
on those settings, right? So go ahead and align text alignment to center. right here. Go ahead and align it center. Yeah. And then you can change it to whatever.
Just for
it-
now, just as a placeholder, we'll just do this.
Okay. Boom.
All
So you
right.
see how when you made it bigger, like it revealed more space?
Yes.
That's why I was saying let's go ahead and do that part first.
All right.
So you can go ahead and hit your check mark, and now let's add a button below that. So hover over Mr. Block Radio, and then you'll get the plus sign for the modules, and click the plus sign for this module, and then select a button. Yeah, and so go ahead and name this button.
Oh my god. It's a losing drinking.
And
Give me one quick second.
no worries.
Which one do I want to,
Okay.
where are they? Where are they? Interesting. I'm gonna have to come back to that. My links
Sure.
aren't
Yeah.
showing like they should.
Yeah. You
Oh
can
no, here it
always.
is. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
All right, WordPress.
Chuck that in there.
Okay.
Now go to design. So first of all, you're gonna make the alignment. You're gonna center it, and
I'll be
then
right
under
back.
okay, and then under button, hit um yes. Turn this to yes. So now you get all of your button styling options. So now we can give the button. Let's start with a button background color. What color you want the background to be?
The color that this is here right now, this color, and I can change maybe the words to white.
Okay. So then in that case, scroll down a little bit more, and then hit background color. So you can well, first of all you can hit this little dopper, and I believe it will let you put it on top of this button right here. If you hit this little dopper icon, it might not though. But you
I
try
don't
to
think
drag.
it does because
Yeah,
I
it's
was
not
trying
gonna
to
come
do
off
that.
of there. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking like Blender or
Another,
something. It
I'll
wouldn't
show
let
you
me
a way
do
you
it.
can.
Okay.
Here's a way you can get it. Here's a way you can get it. Go ahead and hit the X. Hit the X. Yeah.
All right.
Now right click on top of this button.
Right click. All right.
Yeah. Let's see if we can pull this off. Yeah, you're gonna have to right click up here. Right click up here at the top. Yeah, cause that yeah. And now go to inspect. And now hit this little inspector icon right here. This little yeah, little, and then scroll down and put it on top of that button. Right there. Yep. You see that number? Go ahead and copy that number. If you click it, it'll show up over here, and you'll be able to just copy it. If you click on that, it should
Wait,
show up over here.
I think I did, didn't I?
Click
Two.
click the inspector icon again, and then click on top of this. That's you can also just probably
Here, give me a second. Let me just look at it. I'll remember it.
because if you click your inspector icon and put it on top of it, it'll show up on top. Yeah, and you can scroll to bring it in view, but it's just scroll this screen up a little bit more right here, and then put it on top of this button that you want to get the color for. But you have to click the you have to because every
Oh,
time yeah
okay.
every
I
time
see
you
what you're
click it
saying.
go away, yeah, so that's the it's 2EA3F2 if somebody wants to remember that.
2EA3F2.
Yep, 2EA3F2. So now you can just type that into your button, 2EA3F2. So yeah, and then go to design, button, background, button, yes, yeah, background right here, background color. And here you're gonna have to type it fast because, you can type 2EA3F2 right here real fast. right here in this little box right here.
All right.
2EA3F2. Yeah. And then bow. There you go. So now you got that color. So now scroll up and do your font color, the text color. Make it white. So this is your text color right here. You can just click the white. Bam. There you go. So now make your alignment centered. Now you can change all sorts of stuff about this. You can change the size and everything. But another thing you can do is you can add icons. You also need to change what you
You know,
want to
actually, let me change the size a little bit.
Yeah.
Is it transform?
No. So what do you want to change the size of? So go to text. You can make the text bigger. So first of all, you
Well, if I
wanted to
want to
say
make the button just slightly larger.
right. So click button, and then so do button size right there. Scroll up. You just passed it right here. Button text size. Just make it. Just scroll this bigger.
Oh, okay. Just a
Yeah.
little bit. Yeah, just something like that.
Yeah.
That might be a
hmm Now
little
you
large.
can also apply icons on it if you want it and things like that. Like if you scroll down, you could apply like that's the border and all of that stuff. It's the font style, icon is right here. So if you wanted to show the icon, you could click an icon, and then you could down there is going to be like an icon, like the option to apply it when it's not in hover. If you scroll down a little bit.
Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Here. All right, you said scroll down.
Yeah, just a little bit more, and you got the icon placement. And then if you scroll down just a little bit more, if you right here where it says show icon on hover, turn that off, and it'll make it stay.
Oh,
And then you can scroll back up and pick your icon.
all right. I'll stick with that for now.
All
That'll
right.
work.
So, but yeah, so you see how this is now. You can adjust this. You can whenever you want. You can just hit the um, check mark. But if you wanted to, so you see how like it don't actually click and drag. But if you just put your cursor down here a little bit, right here, just don't click or drag. But do you see how your cursor turned into that up and down arrow?
Yes.
If you wanted to reveal more of your video down here at the bottom, you could click and drag gently down and it would reveal. That's what I was trying to demonstrate
Before.
for right, but we
Okay.
got out of hand because it was and it'll do that like if you drag too much, like but you're applying padding on there. Right here I think you
So I
might be
can do
applying.
it technically now. I can do it.
You can do it, yeah, you can do it. You just do it gently, yeah. Just there you go. You see how bow and it's,
Oh,
but
okay.
don't, yeah, not too far, not too, and
I
then
may just
yeah,
have to control Z if I went too far. I actually
yeah, there
didn't
you
do
go,
anything. All right, let's try
yeah,
this
yeah,
again.
yeah. See now you're pulling on
No, I'm pulling the
that,
wrong thing.
yeah. So Control Z that. So you have to make sure that you're right here on this. Yeah, there you go. Bam, and then you can stop right there. I see Kip.
Maybe to there. Okay, cool.
There, and you see how it's, and so make sure you go ahead and save that and confetti.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
So I got that. I got it back. My computer finally
Thank
came
you.
back up.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we get to see a real website.
Do
Cyberspace.
Oh.
you want to? Yeah, go ahead and you want to.
Let me stop sharing. Let me grab
Yeah,
my
you want to demonstrate your book,
Mhm.
Cyber?
Okay.
Yeah,
yes.
go
We
ahead
need
and
I
links.
have actually have two versions of the book. I have one that's the ebook version, and I have one that's the hardcover. So I have two versions. I'm gonna show the.
All
Let
right, I
me show
should
the
be
ebook.
stopped sharing. I think I stopped.
Okay.
yeah, you did.
So I think I'm gonna show the It's basically the same, but the hardcover has a little bit more stuff in it.
Yeah,
Let me
has
hold
the
it up.
hardcover is the hardcover ready yet? Because I'm going to purchase the hardcover.
No, because I'm still trying to get the file up. It was it just keep getting stuck
Okay.
on it. But
Well,
this is
once
the
it's ready,
hardcover
for,
version.
once the
Yeah.
hardcover is ready, let me know. I'm going to
hmm
purchase the hardcover.
But this is the hardcover right here. I'm gonna go through it a little bit. Just
Okay.
go through the chapters. I have like 9 chapters in it.
Mhm.
It has photo
So this
tours
is a
and
PDF. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
that's the PDF version. I have the Kindle version and the PDF version, and then I'm
Okay.
trying to put it
Oh, okay.
to publish for a hardcover,
Uh-huh.
and it has 80 pages in it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Sarah Shay's been hard at work writing her book.
Yeah.
Come
I
on.
see. I see.
Yes.
Yeah. And she packed it with everything
hmm
related to
This is
the
like
metaverse.
yeah,
Oh
this is Tommy
man.
Hilfiger
Mm.
store, and
Oh wow.
I was just talking about this is about business coming in, bringing business in the metaverse, and how they can come into the metaverse. So that's basically what the book is about. Like it's like a guidebook for them.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yeah.
Yes, I need that link so I can figure out
I
how to
know.
function in the metaverse.
I'm funny.
Oh, I'm serious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are just like this is your Afro store, her pop up store. You
Mhm.
see it
Mm-hmm.
in Horizon World.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I did the classroom. Oh, got stuff in
Yeah.
it. Okay,
Yeah.
stuff in our classroom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow.
That's dope, Cyber Shay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
Wow.
this is
the video
excellent.
tour, like a picture
Wow.
tour of different businesses in the metaverse.
Mhm.
Wow. So are you in this book? You're just like, what are you like explaining about the metaverse? Like, are you just highlighting like people's worlds and things, or
It's
like
about
what it's about? Yeah.
the book is about bringing it's a guide to help businesses come into the metaverse. Like it's a guide and it's showing different options and different business offices and stores
Oh.
and that they can use
Oh, that's the
as an
colorful
It's
option.
like
X.
the
Yeah,
possibilities. Yeah.
Oh, the
exactly.
Come
possibilities.
Wow.
Okay.
on. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you,
Wow.
Cyber Shay.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Yeah,
First
you
blender
can
bill
go to
made it in here. Ha!
what's it called it? Flip, I
What?
think it's flip.html. And just
Oh
Yeah.
literally
yeah, to make
upload,
those
yeah.
Yeah.
flip books.
I have
Yeah, those
Yeah.
I
is
have the
dope.
flip
Yeah.
I
version
made
too.
some books and I just upload the
Yeah.
PDF and it
Do
does the
you?
magic for you.
Yeah, those are pretty cool.
Yes. I
Yeah.
literally had an
But
interview and I bought a flip book.
I
Cyber
want to show
Shay.
you the
Cybers.
this is the I think this one right here is the hard copy one that I had more things in it. I added more pictures
Hmm.
in there if you can
Than the
see
other
the
one.
this is the hard copy one right here.
Yeah. Congratulations, Cyber Shay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did your thing.
Definitely
She
did your
sure
thing.
did. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. She's been working hard putting her brand together. And,
Man.
and Cyber Shay stays learning. She is
Mm-hmm.
one of the
Yes.
most
Mhm.
aggressive learners I've ever met.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I want to be like you when I grow up.
Definitely.
Here's mine.
Man.
Here's
Yeah.
yours.
Mm.
G dudes.
Mm.
Yeah. Thanks, Shabby Shay. She's
Yeah,
Wow.
awesome. She's
definitely.
awesome.
Thank you. She is
Yeah,
Mhm.
drop
definitely.
the link in the group.
I'll drop it
Exactly,
in the group.
exactly.
I'll drop it after
Yeah.
tomorrow. I'm going on. Anybody gonna come see me? I'm gonna be on Crypto Cities talk show. I'm gonna talk about the book, about other things I'm
Mhm.
doing, a whole bunch
Hmm.
of other things. Yeah.
And the avatar is gonna
Oh
drop.
yeah, the avatar is gonna be the
So
sleigh
we're
that
gonna
Rich
drop
made
the
for me.
avatar
Yeah.
tomorrow.
What?
Yeah,
Yes.
custom avatar.
That's what I'm trying to
Yes.
get
We're
into,
finishing up
learning.
now. We're
I'm
finishing
going
it up.
because I remember you started that, Rich, in Allspace. You started that.
Yeah.
And
So
man,
this for my
I
hair. I
was
put
so
Mhm.
worksheets,
sad. Man.
and the
Yeah.
hardcover has worksheets.
Mhm.
On the
Oh,
Oh.
hardcover. Yeah.
sweet.
Ah,
Yeah.
cool.
Nice.
Oh, that's tight.
Nice.
That's
Yeah.
nice. Oh man, gotta work
That's
harder.
girl, you really did your thing.
I
Wow.
Woo!
know.
Mhm.
Wow. You did that on InDesign?
On what? I got these from Canva. I got these
Oh, wow.
oh yeah, I did it
Hmm.
Mhm.
in design. Yeah, I did the whole book
Okay.
in InDesign.
Yeah, InDesign, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then and I got this
Uh-huh.
stuff from Canva and I put it in there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice. Yeah, I know, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Seriously,
Confetti,
I wish I
man.
could do
confetti,
confetti in
confetti,
here. Oh my
confetti,
goodness.
confetti. Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah.
definitely. All right. So,
Man.
does anyone have any questions or anything for their websites? Anyone, any other questions or anything you'd like to share?
Mm, I guess I'll get with you later about connecting my domain. I already
Hmm.
have it and everything, so.
Oh, you've got your domain
Yes, I
registered?
already got it. Yeah, I already have it. Like I remember I told you it's connected. I have it connected with Google Sites right now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I already
Okay.
have it and yeah.
So once you're ready, you just let me know.
Okay.
Send me the domain. I'll send you the IP address for the server,
Okay.
and you connect them, and then I'll register the SSL certificate, and then it'll
Okay.
be good to go.
All right.
Hey, Rich, I'm gonna say 2 weeks max for me. I'm gonna give myself that deadline. So since I got a chance to actually start working on it now, I'm gonna
Yeah,
say 2 weeks max. So
most definitely, definitely.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have I gotta give you I have two domains for you.
Mhm.
I said to you to connect them to.
I got 2 domains too.
You got two domains?
No, I'm just I'm just messing with you.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, Cyber just
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
we'll do
great
it.
job, Cyber Shay. You always do a good
Definitely
Yeah.
thing.
great job.
Okay.
Do you want to
Yeah.
make it if you want another want me to spin up another WordPress for you so you can make one dedicated for the book if you want to do that just let
Okay,
me know.
thanks.
Yeah, and then you can build like a book site
Mm-hmm.
and maybe link to the Amazon page and maybe
Mm.
yeah, I don't know,
Mhm.
maybe you could let people register for
Mm-hmm. That's
consultation.
good.
There you
um
go. Yeah.
yeah,
Mm.
people after reading your book maybe they can get with you for some one-on-one. You
Mhm.
Yeah.
know, you can, but they can also schedule that from your main website. But I was
Mm-hmm.
just thinking, if you want to do a dedicated site for the book, just let me know. I'll spin up another
Okay, thanks. I
Speaking
install.
might do
engagements
it
too,
for
you know?
Yes, definitely
probably for a
speaking
bunch of books.
engagements.
I'll
Mhm.
probably do
Yeah.
that, and maybe when I put get
Mhm.
a bunch of books together, I could put them all in
Hmm.
one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You could the same way we're doing these WordPress and workrooms. You could host workrooms sessions about your book in this
A
exact
book
same.
club.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, about the
Mhm.
about the metaverse business
Hmm.
stuff.
You could
That
be
would
like
that would
Oprah in here with the book
right
things.
Come
with the book.
on. Yeah.
Yeah,
Come
that was.
on.
I don't know
I
if
can
I'm gonna
see
be
that
interested
now.
in
Come
any of them, but
on.
I want to listen to a whole bunch of
Oh
books.
man.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
That's
Cyber
awesome.
Shay's book list, whatever. Each month,
Right.
come out with
Yeah.
your.
Mhm.
This is the book you need to know
Sample.
about the metaverse to
Yeah.
get the sample of the
Right.
Yeah.
metaverse. Here you
Right.
go,
Hmm.
Right.
monthly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Miss
Definitely.
Hmm.
Meta over here. Come on. Yeah.
Exactly.
Cyber Shay be running these streets.
Oh
I
yeah,
know,
She
oh
right?
does.
yeah,
She
oh
does. She
yeah.
really does. Yeah.
She be out
That's her
here. I'm
name.
telling you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cyber Shay run these
Uh-huh.
streets.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
That's why I told him I was like, I have to look good with the
Right.
avatar. So I was like, I
Come
run the street.
on.
So yeah, I was like, okay.
Oh.
I was like, now I just need some like I
Man.
need to have the dance moves. Everybody knows I do the dance now, right,
Oh, she's
Marcus?
got the best. She's got
Yeah,
the
she
best
got the
dance
most,
The
the
moves.
dance,
best
dance,
The
dance
and
best
moves.
dance
dance
moves.
moves.
She can
Really?
Yeah.
dance
Mhm.
nonstop at
She
the party.
does.
Yes,
Yeah.
she does.
Yeah.
Oh my
Mm-hmm.
gosh. Okay. Yeah. She's been
Yeah.
mentioning about all the day. But I I want to make sure she has everything she needs, and that's why
Yes.
Yeah.
like studying.
Yeah.
I'm trying to
Yeah.
get us. VR chat offers so much you
Man.
can do,
Mm-hmm.
and so yeah,
Man.
there's
Mm-hmm.
I
it's
just
so
noticed
robust.
on VR chat it support hand tracking.
Oh
And I
yeah,
was
hand
like,
Mm-hmm.
tracking.
yeah, I
Yeah.
saw your video and I was like,
Mhm.
oh my God. I was like,
Mhm. Yeah,
wow.
I've been practicing it too. Yeah, I've been practicing it a lot, the hand
Mm-hmm.
tracking, because I
Yeah.
want to get comfortable with it. A lot of this stuff is going towards hand tracking as
Yeah.
well. So yeah, I might as
Yeah,
well
I
go
know they
ahead and
was
just do it.
saying on VR chat, you can, because my main thing is about sharing your screen. I want to be able to share my screen in VR chat.
Yeah,
They saying that you can use the remote desktop to bring up your screen, but
yeah.
I don't think
Mm.
people can see it though. I don't
No,
know.
you can see it. That's how they do the sampler.
Oh,
I think,
really?
and then
Oh,
DJ
really?
Marcus J. I think, don't you share your screen at your block party?
I don't do well. I go through OBS. So yeah, I go through
Yeah,
OBS and pull.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah,
still
yeah, I'm
sharing your
technically
screen.
yeah
Yeah,
through
They
yeah,
use
OBS.
yeah, yeah.
Prism. They use
Yeah,
Prism Live. That's
Yeah,
what
it's
like I
just
Prism
say,
that
yeah,
is.
they
it's
use
just that
Prism
you're
too.
live
Prism
streaming
Live,
through
right?
OBS, but you're
Yep.
Yeah.
sharing your screen
But
through VR chat.
technically, yeah,
Yeah,
if I did a screen share in
yeah,
OBS and
yeah,
stream that, then yes,
yeah.
that would work.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and
Okay.
then that's how they're doing. I don't know exactly what Kip is doing with the sampler, but he's sharing the screen. I mean, that's how they.
Huh.
He
Mm-hmm.
use. I don't know
Wow.
if he using Prism Live. Prism Live. That's what we watch. We share
Okay.
movies. Watch our movies through there when we in the
Mm.
complex. We use Prism Live.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, so
Okay.
he might be using that. Yeah.
Oh.
And then in Boogie's world, he used the Tahoma or the Tahoma player or something like that.
Okay.
Topaz.
Topaz, the Topaz player, yeah.
Oh.
So that's a
Hmm.
look like a pretty dope player. Like
Oh.
he made some really cool
They
screens
said
using that
Topaz
player.
is
Oh
easy.
man.
Is
Yeah,
it?
that's really easy. Yeah.
That's I got it on my list to
You have it.
investigate. Right now I'm
Mm-hmm.
using that Pro player and Pro TV player, but I don't know. It don't seem it seemed like it can do more than it
Hmm.
actually seems to be doing.
Mm.
But I'm
See
on a
more
hunt
than
right
really
now
you
for the
what it
best
look
I'm
like.
just
player.
gonna give you
Yeah.
some heads up, just so you know. The toughest thing with the players and stuff in VR chat, so both of you know, is getting stuff that works in headset as well
And
as
as well as
PC.
the PC. Yeah, and
So
that's what I've
I'll
been
just give
running
you that.
into.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we'll
Mm-hmm.
talk.
Mm.
We'll talk outside of class, and I can help
Okay.
you with some stuff like that. You know, some
Okay,
stuff about
sweet.
that. So, but yeah,
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
no
Yeah.
Hey.
problem.
Yeah, 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 most definitely.
Okay.
So let's see.
Mm.
Quick question. So they fixed my domain,
Mhm.
and when I type in Barack Financial Services, it goes back to gdus.
Yeah, that's because what I did was
Oh,
I didn't map it as your permanent domain until you
gotcha.
confirmed that
Mm-hmm.
you had everything set up on your end. But now
Mm-hmm.
it must be set up on your end because you say it's redirecting to the old one. So if you give me
Mm-hmm.
1 second, it's going to be
Okay.
one flip of a switch, and that's going to be resolved.
Okay.
So actually, can you go ahead and share your screen?
Sure. And I'll still be able to make updates, correct?
Sure will. I'm about to guide you through that right
Okay.
now.
So let's see if
Just give me 1 second.
oh, that's the
Let's
enterprises.
open.
Nope. Yeah, it takes me there.
Yep, perfect. That means it's doing. So if once I make this change. Actually, and here's the thing. It's going to you're going to have to give me 1 second because not only am I about to make your domain the permanent domain, but I also have to turn on your SSL certificate. So
Okay.
while I'm doing that, do you want to just show the class your page?
Okay. Um,
Nice.
well, as you can see, when it first comes up, it has a little pop-up where they can join a newsletter. Just gonna do a quick refresh.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah.
Just do no thanks. And oh gosh, that's off. Why is it off? It's supposed to be centered over here. But
Mm-hmm.
this is a description of who we are. I'll make that adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
And different services, tax preparation, grant writing, credit repair, and coaching. And so I have a button for the first three to start. And actually, this goes to, I'm actually partnering with another company. And so this goes there for them to fill out their forms and do some uploads and so forth. To schedule appointment for the grant writing as well as the credit repair. And then this letting them know that I'm doing business in IRL as well as in the metaverse. And just a little blurb about uh, some things that I've done.
Mm-hmm.
Taking my credit score from 540 to 817. And then I'm going to add some testimonials here. And then some do you know. So then up here I have the different forms at the top. So this
Mm-hmm.
is the credit repair service request form. I'm going to add some color to this,
Mm-hmm.
to each one of them. Then the grant writing services. Oops, it's not in there. Oh, darn. Okay. And then the text preparation services, some information. And then down here, just click as you're ready to get started. That's about it.
Okay, if you
Wow.
your
Nice.
let me see.
Nice.
Let me check. I'm heading over there. You should be good to go now. Actually, if you notice, you're not secure, but if you
Mm-hmm.
refresh, but if you notice, you're already on your domain. If you
Mm-hmm.
refresh, you should be secure now. I just finished registering your SSL. No, okay, it's because like go ahead and put your cursor in here. You're under
Mm-hmm.
HTTPS. Put your cursor behind this B, and then okay, yeah, and then just click your enter key. Click enter. There we go. No, it's still hold the shift key down and then hit this refresh button. Hold the shift key. Like you gotta hold shift while it's refreshing. That clears cache.
Nope, I did it. Holding shift.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Maybe I
I
just need to go here
yeah,
and then.
it is. Let me check from but I see that the SSL has been applied.
Okay.
Let me try going to your domain. Yep. So for me, if you stop sharing, let me go ahead and share, and I'll show you from mine. Yeah, it's just in your cache.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Hold up,
clear it.
hold up. Let me. So you see on mine how you see how it's got the lock on here,
Ah, yep.
secure.
Uh-huh.
So
Got it.
on mine is because it's yours has like if you was here's a way I can show you. Share your screen again, open up an incognito browser, and then go to your domain. And then at
Oh,
that point,
okay.
it'll show secured. Let's try that.
Okay. Hmm.
And another thing, we're gonna I'm gonna have you do is fix your
Yeah.
yeah,
What's that?
is fix your favicon. So
Okay.
let me show you where to do
Nice,
that at.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to go ahead and do that now?
No, you're gonna yeah, you can close this incognito out and then open up. You're gonna have to log back into your website.
I'm gonna have to get a graphic for mine. I already know what I want to use.
So this is gonna log you out. You're gonna automatically log out because this is under the. If you try to go in, it's just gonna boot you out.
Okay.
But go ahead and refresh, and you're gonna log in, and we're gonna change this. You see how right now it currently shows the WordPress logo.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna change that to be your um, logo. So go ahead and just sign
The
in.
WordPress logo where?
You see up here at the top in this tab,
Oh, gotcha,
that's a
gotcha.
favicon right there.
Okay.
So go ahead and sign in. When you sign in, it's going to show secured also. I bet that this is going to switch to being secured after you log in. But go ahead and log in. You just need to put slash WP admin at the end of .com. Dash, put a hyphen in between WP and admin.
Oops.
Just a hyphen. Yep. And go ahead and get signed in. You can stop sharing if you want. I was gonna try to
I'm
block your
good.
credentials.
Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Let me look it up. I have so many username and passwords.
you can, yeah. Step. You can just reshare it when you can just reshare it when you after you get logged in.
Well, it doesn't show it on screen.
No, I
Well,
just
if you make a mistake and hit that eyeball, it will.
Well, yeah, I
right,
know. I
and then
know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
yeah, and then also it's just we should practice
Changing it.
secure habits, yeah, so let's
Yes.
just let's just let's
Yeah.
just practice being
Right.
secure as best we can.
Okay.
All right, so now you can go back to the front end of the site and it's still showing unsecure for you, but it's okay. Other people, if you go here, you can just check in your browser to make sure it says secure for her. But yeah, well, when you opened it up in
Yeah.
incognito, you was able to see
Yeah.
it, so
It's
you
fine.
know it's cache. It's just cache.
Right.
When you restart
Mm-hmm.
your computer, it'll go away.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but go ahead and hover over your name and then click theme customizer right here, and then go to general settings, and then site identity, and then under site icon right here, go ahead and hit that and select your logo, whichever one. And you'll notice if after you click it, go ahead and hit select down here, and you're going to notice if you're watching right here where it currently has a W,
Mm-hmm.
after you go ahead and hit this crop image and then set it as your favorite kind, you'll see it change. You
Whoop,
see?
whoop. Yeah.
Yeah. We're official now.
So go, yeah, you're official now. So go
Stamp.
ahead and hit publish. Yeah, and then you can close that out. We're just hitting this. Now scroll down. I think you had some. I think you had your footer widgets still on here. Let's get rid of those. Scroll
Yeah.
all the way down to
I
the
Oh
footer.
do.
yeah, I need to do
I
that too.
do.
All right. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna. Yeah, and as a matter of fact, we never covered widgets. We should. We're gonna talk about these. So let me begin by showing what they're trying to do before we remove them. So
Okay.
when you scroll down to a footer, you can have no normally you'll see like links, sometimes you'll see a map, you'll see social icons, all sorts of stuff, right? You can drop whatever you want down here as widgets. And so WordPress has a functionality that's called widgets, and widgets are these little micro bits of functionality. Okay, and you get to them in the back end. If you hover over your toolbar right here, you'll see you've got a widgets link right here. So go ahead and hit that widgets link. Now, because you're using the Divi theme, Divi has the built-in functionality where you can create custom widget areas. So you can define custom widget areas, and then you can associate those widget areas in your templates. Okay. And what that does is that will allow you to drop in widgets that get applied to every place that's using that template. In this case, if you go ahead and hit this little X right here, right now you see we've got the default widgets, which are the sidebar, which right now you're not using because you don't have any internal pages. But once you make an internal page, you're going to end up with a sidebar as a default, unless you choose to not have one. And that sidebar is going to, as a default, use these widgets that are in here. Now, if you scroll down, you see we've got footer area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 predefined widget areas for the default Divi footer. If you make a custom footer and you make custom widget areas, you see how you can define a widget right here? You can just give a widget name and then you can hit create. So you could literally create a custom footer and you could create widgets that you apply to that custom footer. But since we're using the default Divi footer, let's just go ahead and click this drop down for this widget area.
Mm.
And so this is those archives. We can delete this. If you click on this, just click right there. Yeah, just click. So
Oh,
yeah, stop right there. If you click these 3 dots right here, yeah, and now um, go ahead and hit select parent block group. That's going to select the group, and then click those dots, and now you can click delete, and then do that for this one also. And so some things that, so now before we go ahead and click Twitter, yeah, I don't think anything's in 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, only in 1. Go ahead. Let's go ahead and update first before we do anything else. But before you leave, let me just show you about the widgets. So scroll up a little bit. Let's go ahead and scroll up a little bit. You can stop up a little bit more. I just wanted you to just have this into view, the footer area 1 into view.
oops.
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted it. Okay. Well, that's fine.
Close all these.
Yeah. Yeah, you can close them.
All right.
We can start by, let's start by clicking this plus button right here. Now, these are all little blocks that turn into widgets that can be dropped in here. So, and then also, anytime you add a plugin, there's a good chance that that plugin will have a widget added. But there's lists, there's tables, quotes, images, videos, etc., that you can drop in here, and that would be applied to that widget area. Social icons, a calendar, um, short codes of stuff, a form, an advertisement, a booking appointment form, etc. Upcoming appointments, like if you want to just show a listing of your upcoming appointments, you could drop that widget in there and it would show that in that area.
All right.
So before we move past the screen, any questions about widgets or widgetized areas? Okay. All right. So you already updated. Let's go ahead and just go back to the front end. So just hover over your name, click your visit site, and scroll down to the footer, and you will see that those widget areas are now gone.
Yay. They're gone.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. All right.
That's a funky color, though.
Yeah. Yep. They're not down there.
Hmm.
Perfect. Okay. Um. Let's see. So those are widgets.
Hmm.
No questions about widgets.
No, no,
I'm gonna
not
go
right
back and
now.
watch
Maybe,
that.
yeah, maybe next
I'm gonna
week, but
go
not
back and
right
watch
now.
that part. Yes, cause I gotta delete that. I think I can just delete that whole section. I think.
Yeah, I'll mess around with it and then see
Mm,
if I got any questions. I
yeah,
did look at
There
a
you
couple
go.
that look interesting. So,
yeah,
All right, all
yeah.
right. Sound good. Well, does anyone have any questions about anything else or anything? Otherwise, we can end
Uh, I messaged you my domain. So,
it. So you sent that to me?
yes, I sent that to
Okay.
you.
All right, perfect. I'll send you back the IP address after we disconnect, and
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
I'll send it back to you shortly, and then
okay.
and G Deuce,
Mm-hmm.
you know you're squared away. You're comfortable with
Yeah. Yes,
everything
sir.
being set up. Okay, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
All
Thank
right,
you.
no problem, no problem. All right, everyone. Have a great week.
Thank you.
same to you.
Bye.
Thank you again.
And
No
don't forget to
problem.
post that
Yeah.
link,
DJ
Yeah,
Marcus.
Cyber
Cybershay.
Shay.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll
Yep.
say.
congratulations again,
Yeah,
Cyber
Oh,
Shay.
thank you. I'll
congratulations.
put the Amazon link in the group.
Cool.
All right. See you all later.
All
All
See
right.
you
right,
later.
all right.
Thanks.
Bye
Bye.
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye. DJ
Bye.
Marcus.
Yep.
Did you want us to meet?
Yep. I tell you what, give me like 10 minutes and we
10
can meet
minutes?
over there. Maybe,
Okay.
matter of fact, let's say 15 minutes and then I'll meet
15
you over
minutes.
there. Yep.
Okay.
I'll meet you over at the block party in 15 minutes.
All right.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. See you in a minute.